What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. You guys are constantly asking me for more POV drive videos in my GR86, so I figured today would be the perfect opportunity. Now, I don't want to give away too much, but if you guys saw last year, I actually celebrated National 86 Day by going to a car meet with my 86. It was a bunch of fun, and we were able to go cruise out with probably around 20 or so other GR86s and BRZs in my area. Let's just say that if you've been following me for a little while, I've been talking about a certain thing and place that I've been wanting to take my GR86 to. But enough talk about that. You guys will see more, and I'll tell you guys more once it gets closer to National 86 Day. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get the car pulled out onto the driveway. That way we can start it up, and then from there, we'll head out to downtown Tampa. These pops are absolutely insane. Alright, you guys, so I actually just made it to this nice little spot right here where I'm gonna grab some photos of the car at. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out here real quick and then just grab a couple of videos and photos for you guys. You guys are always asking me too how I take my photos for Instagram. I just use my phone. It's nothing really too crazy. I'd like to get an actual camera soon, but for now, the phone is perfectly good for what I need it for. Now that we just got finished up grabbing some photos and some videos, I'm gonna go ahead, get back on the road now, and continue the POV drive for you guys. popping right now in downtown, man. Tell you what, all sorts of people out. cars, people, dogs. There's one right there. Alright, you guys, so I think I'm gonna pretty much call it here. I know how much you guys love POV drive videos, so I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity to make one. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I have something really big planned in celebration of National 86 Day, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see what's to come. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new, that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I make just like this with my 86. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.